Tonight, there are major updates in two of the Manhattan legal proceedings against former President Trump.
The first of which, a judge has delayed the sentencing in his criminal hush money case until after the election. Investigative reporter Tim McNicholas joins us now to break it all down. So, Tim, what was the reasoning that Judge Merchan gave here?
Right, that's the question. So, Jessica and Cindy, Judge Juan Merchan said in this order today that he delayed the sentencing to avoid any appearance that the case has been affected by the upcoming election. So the sentencing is now switched from later this month to 3 weeks after Election Day. Something Trump's lawyers have pushed for, but his campaign didn't exactly celebrate the decision today. A spokesperson for the Trump campaign reacted to the postponement by saying there should be no sentencing. Judge Juan Merchan says there will be November 26th, and political and legal analysts are wondering what the impact of the postponement will be.
And if President Trump actually becomes the president of the United States, well, we'll immediately see an appeal to the Supreme Court to say that he cannot be in jail during his presidency.
Merchan's decision came within hours of Trump appearing in court for another case, the appeal of a judgment that found him liable for sexually abusing and slandering writer E. Jean Carroll. For 22 minutes, 3 federal judges listened to arguments from both sides on why the $5 million judgment should or should not stand. Carroll smiled and hugged her attorney after the hearing, then stepped out of the courthouse and waved at about a dozen anti-Trump protesters who'd arrived earlier Friday morning.
No one is above the law. Trump is not above the law.
During that hearing, Trump's attorney argued several people should not have been allowed to take the stand in the case, including 2 other women who testified that Trump abused them. Carroll's lawyer says the goal was to show a pattern.
He had a pattern of having kind of pleasant chatting with a woman. E. Jean Carroll even testified that it was almost flirtation, very pleasant chatting. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, he would, for lack of a better term, Your Honors, pounce.
This case is a textbook example of implausible allegations being propped up by highly inflammatory, inadmissible propensity evidence.
The judges considering the appeal are also not expected to make a decision before Election Day. After the hearing, the former president again denied the allegations and said he does not know Carroll.
It's an appeal of a ridiculous verdict.
Trump also denies the allegations in that hush money case. Jessica and Cindy.
All right. Thanks so much, Tim.
Sure.